Let's solve a couple of problems based on the topics what we have learned so far. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Find the general solutions for the following. So here you have cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Now, one way of doing this one, you have cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Alright. So what we can do is take the cos 2x to the RHS. In the sense, we have cos 3x plus cos x is equal to cos 2x. Fair enough? Now, cos 3x plus cos x, don't you think this is the transformation formula? Cos c plus cos d. So here we are going to have 2 cos 3x plus x divided by 2 into cos of 3x minus x divided by 2. This is equal to cos 2x, right? Now, 2 into cos of 2x, 4x by 2, right? Into cos of x is equal to cos 2x. Now, what we can do, you can cancel the cos 2x, right? Don't you think it's nothing but dividing one by the other? So what do we have here? 2 cos x is equal to 1. Now we have one more solution. Okay, one more solution for this one would be cos 2x is equal to 0. This is one more solution. So one solution is 2 cos x is equal to 1. Another one would be cos of 2x is equal to 0. Okay, so there are two solutions. Fair enough? So let's solve this one. The first case, we have 2 cos x is equal to 1. So cos of x is equal to half. Now here what I'll do, I'll show you the principal value as well as the general solution. Let's do both. Alright. Now if cos x is equal to half, then what we have is, now cos x is positive in which two quadrants? First and the fourth quadrant, correct? So we can say that cos x is equal to half. That means x is equal to, suppose if you are taking x to be in the first quadrant, then this is going to become pi by 3, correct? First case. Or if it's in the fourth quadrant, then we can write this as 2 pi minus pi by 3, or x is equal to 5 pi by 3. Now, the principal values for this particular solution will be pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3, correct? Now, if the general solution, if we are looking at, now general solution would be what? So, in this case, cos x is equal to cos pi by 3, correct? So, x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Now, this is the general solution. Alright. Now, we have one more, right? Which is cos 2x is equal to 0. We'll do the same thing now. See, for cos 2x is equal to 0. Now, what we have, suppose if you want 0 as cos function, we have to take in terms of pi by 2, correct? Or 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 types. So, here cos 2x is equal to cos pi by 2, or 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2, or x is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4. So this is going to be the general solution. General solution. If you are looking at the principal value for this one, then we can say that cos 2x is equal to 0. So this implies 2x is equal to pi by 2, or x is equal to pi by 4. Now this is one case. Or we can also take this as 3 pi by 2, correct? that is 2x is equal to 3 pi by 2. So x is equal to 3 pi by 4. So the principal values are pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. And the general solution is this: x is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4. So this is how you solve the first question. Okay, now let's do the second question. Now for this one, we'll calculate only the general solution. Okay, let's not do both. So here, what you have, 5 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta minus 6 is equal to 0. So here, we'll convert one of the trigonometric functions in terms of other. That means either we can take sine as cos or cos as sine, any one of it. All right. So first what we'll do, 5 cos square theta plus 7 sin square, we'll write it as 1 minus cos square theta minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, we just converted sine to cos. That's all. No big difference. 5 cos square theta plus 7 minus 7 cos square theta minus 6 is equal to 0. So now what do we get? Minus 2 cos square theta, correct? Minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So what do we get? Minus 2 cos square theta is equal to minus 1. So cos square theta is equal to half. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Sorry, plus or minus 1 by root. Plus or minus 1 by root 2. So we have two values here. Again, we are going to split this into two parts. All right. See, we have cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. This is one case. Or the second case is cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Correct? Now, since we are looking at only the general solution, we can say cos theta is equal to cos of pi by 4. Correct? Here, cos theta is equal to, now since it's a negative case, all right, so we can write this as minus cos of pi by 4. Not cos of minus pi by 4, minus cos of pi by 4. Basically, we are looking at the second and the third quadrant. Fair enough? So here we can write theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4. Here we can write cos theta is equal to minus of 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4. Now, if you merge them together, suppose if you take it together, we can pretty much write plus or minus 2n pi minus or plus pi by 4. Okay, or you can keep it as it is, either this one or this one. Again, I'll tell you, you can merge them together or you can keep it separately. Either case, the answer is going to be correct. Fair enough? So this is the answer for the second question. Now let's do the third one. Sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0, correct? Now here what we can do, sin 2x. Sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. Now make this as 2 sin x into cos x plus cos x is equal to 0. Correct? Take cos x common. Cos x into 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, two possibilities. Either cos x is equal to 0, first case, or here we can write the second case is 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Now, the first case is quite simple because if cos x is equal to 0, that's nothing but cos of pi by 2. So, x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2. This is quite a simple one to understand. But the second part is quite tricky. Here, see, you get 2 sin x is equal to -1, correct? So, sin x is equal to -1/2. Now, the principal values for this one, now sin is negative in the third and the fourth quadrant, correct? So, this is going to become x is equal to, now pi plus pi by 6, pi plus 180 plus. This is going to become 7 pi by 6, or x is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 6. Because 2 pi is the 0 degree and 360 are one and the same, right? So 2 pi minus pi by 6. This is going to give us 11 pi by 6. So the principal values are, first one is 7 pi by 6. The second one is 11 pi by 6. Alright, so these are the principal values. Now, next we'll calculate the general solution. Alright, see what we have is sin of x is equal to -half, right? So we can write sin x is equal to minus sin pi by 6, or sin x is equal to sin of minus pi by 6. So what we are going to get, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into minus pi by 6. Or the same thing can also be written as n pi minus 1 power n into pi by 6. This is going to give us the answer. Clear? So this is the answer for the third question. So whatever we have done, 3 questions we have done, where we have covered both the topics of trigonometric equations. That is, we found the principal values and we also found the general solution for trigonometric function. Correct? So practice more on these trigonometric functions based on what type of problem they have given. You have to find the solution accordingly. Alright. So these are the types of problems what you can expect from trigonometric equations.